Hello students, welcome to tutoringcluster.com. So in this video we are going to see how to find square root of 25.15 using Taylor's series. So till now we have seen the examples simply polynomial, then examples of trigonometric functions, and now in this video we are going to see how to find a square root using Taylor series. So till now, if you have not watched the previous videos, you can find all those videos in the playlist. So please do watch. Definitely it is going to help you a lot because I am using a step by step approach. मैं आपको सारी चीज़ें स्टेप बाय स्टेप समझा रहा हूँ. ओके, डायरेक्टली आंसर नहीं लिख रहा हूँ. So hope you are finding these videos very useful. So please do like the videos and don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel. So question number 3, find square root of 25.15 using Taylor's series. Right? Okay. Now 25.15. Can I write this as 25 plus 0.15? So basically this is what? X plus h. Yes. So what is my function? Function is f of x plus h is equal to square root of x plus h, where what is x? X is 25 and what is h? H is 0.15. Right? Okay, so what will be f of x? F of x will be what? Root x. Yes. Then what will be f dash of x? 1 upon 2 root x. Right? Then what will be f double dash of x? Okay, can I write this as 1 upon 2 into x to the power minus r? So इसका डेरिवेटिव क्या बनेगा? 1/2 into minus r into x to the power. ओके, देखिए x to the power n, इसका डेरिवेटिव क्या रहता है? n into x to the power n minus 1. So minus r into x to the power n minus 1. Right? Okay. So how we can write this? This is equal to minus 1/4 into x to the power minus 3/2. And what will be third derivative? So minus 1/4 into minus 3/2 into x to the power minus 3/2 minus 1. So this will be equal to minus minus will be plus 3 upon 8 into x to the power minus 5/2. Right? Okay. Now see, एक्चुअली मैंने डेरिवेटिव्स क्यों फाइंड आउट किए हैं. देखिए, f of x plus h, कैन आई राइट दिस एज f of x plus h into f dash of x plus h square upon 2 factorial into f double dash of x plus h cube upon 3 factorial into f triple dash of x and so on. Yes. Okay, so what is f of x plus h? It is nothing but square root of 25.15, which is equal to f of x. What is f of x? Here root x. So root x, what is x? X is 25. Yes, x is what? 25 plus h, what is h? 0.15 into f dash of x. देखिए, आपको x क्या लेना है? यहाँ पे आपको x इज इक्वल टू 25 लेना है और h क्या लेना है? 0.15 लेना है. ओके, जहाँ पे भी x रहेगा 25 लिखिए. राइट. सो h into f dash of x. This is f dash of x. So it is 1 upon 2 root 25 plus h square 0.15 square upon 2 factorial, it is 2 into f double dash of x. This is f double dash of x. How much it is? Minus 1/4 into 25 to the power minus 3/2 plus h cube 0.15 cube upon 3 factorial into What is f triple dash of x? It is 3 by 8 into 25 to the power minus 5 by 2. I hope this step is clear to everyone. So this will be equal to square root of 25. It is 5 plus, now this is what, 0.15 divided by 2 into 5, it will be 10 plus. Okay, now see, a little bit maybe terms are more, but it is easy to calculate. Now 0.15 square, 0.15 square, how much it is? 0.0225 divided by 2 into 4, it is 8 into, now this you can write as 1 upon 25 to the power 3 by 2. Is it right? What is 25? Okay, we will write better. So this is nothing but 1 upon 25 to the power 3 by 2 plus, what is 0.15 cube? So it is 3.375 into 10 to the power minus 3 upon 3 factorial. 3 factorial is 6 into 3 by 8 into, this is what, 1 upon 25 to the power 5 by 2. Right? Okay. Now I think it will be easy for you to simplify this. 0.015 minus. Okay. See how we are going to solve. First find 25 to the power 3 by 2. 25 to the power 3 by 2. It is 125. This is what? 1 upon 125. 125 into 8. 1000. So 0.0225 divided by 1000. You can check. You can simply use the calci. Okay. Then what will be numerator? 3.375 into exponential to the power minus 3 into 3. So it will be 0.010125 divided by 6 into 8 into, what is 25 to the power 5 divided by 2, 3125. 3125. राइट सी, मैं यहाँ पे डायरेक्ट आंसर भी लिख सकता हूँ, लेकिन मैं आपके लिए सारे कैलकुलेशंस करके बता रहा हूँ. राइट, सो दैट आपको कोई भी अगर स्टेप में दिक्कत हो, इट विल बी गेट क्लियर. माइनस, व्हाट इज दिस? 0.0225 divided by 1000. So it will be 2.25 into 10 to the power minus 5 प्लस. ओके, आप भी खुद से कर सकते हो. 0.010125 डिवाइडेड बाय 48 इंटू 3125. सो इट विल बी 6.75 इंटू 10 to the power minus 8. Okay, so now you do the addition. So 5 plus 0.015 minus 2.25 into 10 to the power minus 5 plus 6.75 into, okay, so if you solve this, you will get 5.01497. okay, so this is approximate value, of course, right? see, किसका आंसर ये है? 25.15. 25 का स्क्वायर रूट क्या है? 5 है. सो डेफिनेटली ऑब्वियसली यू शुड गेट मोर देन 5. okay, so what answer you are getting? 5.01497. okay, so I hope all the calculations are clear. so it is, see, example is quite simple, but थोड़े इसमें calculations काफ़ी है. तो आपको केयरफुली करना है। और एक्सपांशन कैसे करना है, ओके, दैट इज़ मोर इम्पोर्टेंट। एक्सपांशन इसे कैसे किया गया है, दिस इज एक्सपांशन किसके टर्म में है, दिस इज एक्सपांशन इन पावर्स ऑफ एच। आप इन पावर्स ऑफ एक्स भी ले सकते हो, ओके, कोई दिक्कत है नहीं। मैंने क्यों इन पावर्स ऑफ एक्स किया है, फंक्शन क्या है हमारा, स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ एक्स, और स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 25 इट इज़ इजी टू कैलकुलेट, इसके लिए मैंने इसको एच की टर्म्स में एक्सपांड किया है। ओके, सो आई होप द एग्जाम्पल इज क्लियर टू यू। स्टिल इफ़ यू हैव एनी डाउट यू कैन राइट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन। और आपको अगर ये वीडियोस यूज़फुल लग रही है प्लीज़ लाइक करिए, और आप कमेंट भी कर सकते हो दैट यस वी आर फाइंडिंग दिस वीडियोस यूज़फुल। And don't forget to share with your friends so that they will also get benefited, because I am using a step by step approach, right? I am explaining each and every step so that it will be easy for you to understand and to score a very good marks in the exam. Thank you.